I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view.
Hey lovely people, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. In today's video I'm going to share with you how I slick down my short hair. Oh god, I hope you like today's video. Before you watch this video, make sure you have subscribed already. You put the bell notification on, and that way anytime that I upload you'll be notified. And also give this video thumbs up, because that is very important. That lets me know that you like this video and you're interested in watching, and it also encourages me to go and do more videos. And so let's go right into it. My hair is been washed from shower. I washed my hair already. It's look a little bit wet. What I'm going to do now is use my hair dryer to just blow dry it a little bit and to let the water that is in it go a bit, not too much dry.
Trying me, ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all
okay, I think it feels good how I want it. So next I'm going to use this diamond brush to just brush to the hair.
That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work.
If you look at my hair from the top and around here, you see that the whole hair has turned like a bit brown. Yeah, it's because I used some hair dye in the hair and it's totally messed my hair up. So I'm thinking again either to cut all that off and just go with my maybe hair wrap mousse and just be styling it, or dye it again and let it grow. And so I have two things in my head. I'm not so sure yet which one I'm going to go for, so let's see how it will be. Okay, so the hair is all brushed out. It feels very smooth. If you touch it, it feels really smooth. So what I'm going to use to slick down this hair today is the Style Factor Edge Poster. That's how it looks. I also have here my Gummy Professional Gel. You've seen this in a few of my videos before. That's the Gummy Professional Gel. So this is the gels I'm going to use for the hair today. These gels are made of like wax. They are not like water. It says like water based. You can like style it with water and all that, but it's a bit dry, as I said, like waxy. But before I start slicking my hair down, I'm going to look for a grip. And my hair, it's really short. When you look at the whole side of it, they have very short. Just around here that is a little bit long. So I'm just going to use my hand to look for anywhere that I can grab a hair, because the style I want to do is like going this way, so hopefully the bun will come somewhere around here. So just using my hands to get a little bit of hair where I can hold like a bit of grip, as I said, and start braiding. Okay, use the elastic band to hold it. I don't know if you can see, so I'll turn around for you to see this. So I put, this is the little band I've made, so I put this through. So when I turn around, I'm not sure you saw what I did. I put the crochet pin through the hair that I have there. So I'm just going to pass this little bit of hair through the crochet pin, close it and pull it out. That's it, all done. So this is the grip that I'm going to put my ponytail on. First of all, I'm going to braid it.
In my heart, I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. But picking up all the pieces is a form of art.
I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was.
I'm going to start going in with my gel to slick the hair.
Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go.
I'm back. I've finished drying my hair and I think it's really bone dry because it's been a few hours since I've been gone. I finished slicking the hair down, so let's see how it looks after taking off the scarf. It actually looks really good. It looks really pretty than I thought it would. That is absolutely cute. It's been a long time since I've been able to slick down my hair this smooth, and I love it. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just put my ponytail on, and I think I'll be done with my hairstyle. Oh, and as I'm sitting here, I'll be going to work. Anyway, to continue, this is the hair I'm going to use for my ponytail. I'm going to put this bun to it in the middle. This is what I'm going to use to secure the ponytail onto my hair. I'm going to section a little bit of the hair away. Anyway, so what I'm going to do now is start using the one I sectioned away to wrap around. I'm going to hold this one together as I wrap this. Alright, so after wrapping that one around, the next thing I'm going to do is spray my go-to-be glue spray into the hair. Sorry, I mean to secure where I wrapped it.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything.
It's a very long ponytail. This is really long. So I'm going to style this two ways. I'm going to leave it long like this, and then I'm going to style it the other way for you to see how I want it to be when I go to work.
'Cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing. All here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as
Okay, so the modeling of that is done. Next, I'm going to wrap this around. So next is you divide the hair into 2 equal parts. You twist it around each other. Try as much as possible to twist it properly, so that when you wrap it around, you will not be seeing like strands of hair hanging around, making the whole hair looking messy. All done. Next thing is to wrap this around.
Large and plenty, I like to play fast, never change back, calling out, I'll pay back.
So as you wrap it around, you use your hand to, like, you know, press it on it. And I'll make sure the tip of this one goes underneath. Then I'll take the second one.
Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough TV. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts.
It's very tight, it won't go anywhere, and very secure. So next I put this, secure it with a pin. If you feel that is strong enough, you don't have to use a pin to secure it. Alright, so I put this here, and I put one at the back. So I put one here, another one here, and then one at the back. It depends on wherever you want to put it. It just, for me, putting a pin helps it for me. I feel like it keeps the hair in longer and it doesn't, you know, frill and all that. So that is it. That is the second one.
People putting up walls, I feel like life is on hold. Perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind.
So yeah, I got 2 hairstyles out of this slicked hair, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching today's video and it's been helpful to you. If it has been helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. It's very helpful. If you give your support, it will encourage me to also do more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.